Toby and the Magical Water Journey. Once upon a time, in the village of Lumina, a curious boy named Toby loved to explore nature. One hot afternoon, he sat by the river, throwing pebbles into the water. Suddenly, a tiny glowing water droplet named Drippy popped out of the river and spoke. "Hello, Toby. Do you want to see the amazing journey of water?" Toby's eyes widened. "You can talk," Drippy giggled. "Yes. Water is magical, and I will show you how we travel around the world." Step 1. Evaporation. Drippy floated into the air as the sun shone brightly. The sun heats the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. We turn into tiny water vapor and rise into the sky. This is called evaporation. Toby watched in amazement as Drippy disappeared into the air. Step 2. Condensation. Up in the sky, Drippy met other water droplets, forming a fluffy cloud. Now that we are high in the sky, we cool down and stick together to make clouds. This is called condensation. Toby clapped. "Wow! So that's how clouds are made!" Step 3. Precipitation. As the cloud grew bigger and heavier, Drippy shouted, "Now it's time for precipitation!" Suddenly, the cloud turned dark and raindrops began to fall. Drippy landed back on the ground as rain. Toby danced in the rain. So rain comes from clouds when they get too heavy. Step 4. Collection. Drippy splashed into a small puddle and joined other droplets flowing into the river. Now we gather back into rivers, lakes, and oceans, ready to start the journey again. Toby smiled. That means water never really disappears. It keeps moving in a big cycle. Drippy winked. That's right. Water is a gift from nature, so we must keep it clean. From that day on, Toby taught his friends about the magical water cycle and how to protect water. And so, the journey of water continued, over and over again. This process is called the hydrological cycle, commonly called water cycle.